Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. I'm Pradeep of Maths Teachers. In this video, we will solve the remaining problems of exercise 5.2 of CBSE board of exercise 1.2 of state board children's. Right? The first main, the third question, fourth question, and fifth question. We will solve it. Right? Now the third question. As usual, we need to find whatever they ask. Right? So here in the third question whatever they have given I'll write that. So in the third question you need to find, I'll write this as data. Okay, you need to find a, so therefore a is equals to question mark, and they have given the d. So d is equals to how much children's? It's -3. N is equals to 18, and an is equals to -5, right children? So this is the data they have given. You need to find the value of a, the first term you need to find out. As usual, you need to write on the formula. First the formula is an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right children? Now you are having the formula, you are having a values, just apply these values to this formula and find the first term a, right children? Now an is how much? An is -5, so therefore here -5 is equals to a is how much? That you need to find out. So keep the a as it is, plus n is 18 minus 1 into d is -3, right children? So therefore be careful when you are multiplying it by minus number, right? So therefore keep the -5 as it is, that's equals to a plus 18 minus 1 is nothing but 17 into -3. So therefore -5 is equals to a. Now here you need to multiply the numbers also. Also you need to multiply the symbols also. Plus into minus is minus. So therefore 17 3 is 51. Okay. Now I'll interchange this. And I'll write. So therefore a minus 51 is equals to -5. Okay, now send -51 to the right hand side. If you send -51 to the right hand side means it will become plus. So therefore a is equals to -5 will be there, -51 will become +51. This implies, so minus into plus is minus, so therefore you need to subtract. So 51 minus 5 is nothing but 46, right? So here sign of a biggest number is 51, sign is plus, so therefore plus 46. So it implies what is the value of a? A is equals to 46, right? That you need to fill in this blank, right? So therefore what is the value of a? A is 46, right children? So this is the third problem. Now we will solve the fourth and fifth. Okay, so the fourth question, the fourth one. Now whatever they have given the data, write on the data. So write here data. Okay, so data, they have given the a is how much? They have given the a is -18.9. okay, and they have given d also. D is how much? 2.5. so therefore d is equals to 2.5. and here you need to find the value of n. So therefore n is equals to question mark. Write down as usual how they have given, and write down if they are asking n means n is equals to question mark in the data, right? So next the n they have given nothing but 3.6. so therefore it's n is equals to 3.6, right children? Now you are having a data, right? Just apply the nth formula, an formula, and just apply the values to the formula and simplify it and find the value of n, right? Now what is the formula? An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, right? Now simplify this. Now children, here what is the value of an? An they have given, it's nothing but 3.6. so therefore 3.6 is equals to a they have given -18.9. so therefore -18.9, here plus is there, so plus into n is how much? N we need to find out, -1 into d is how much? It's 2.5. Okay, now how to simplify this? Just multiple 2.5 to n minus 1, right? So first 2.5 into n and afterwards 2.5 into 1. So keep the 3.6 as it is, and also minus 18.9 as it is, plus 2.5 into n is nothing but 2.5 n minus 2.5 ones, it's 2.5. Okay, now keep the 3.6 as it is. Now here it's a variable. Now here these two are called as constant. Okay, now just whatever symbol says that you need to do. So nothing but here minus is there, here minus is there, you need to add. So minus into minus will be plus, so therefore you need to add. Now 18.9 plus 2.5 is equals to 21.4, right children? Here you need to observe the one thing that here you need to write down the sign of biggest number, right? So what is the sign of, which is the biggest number? 18.9 is the biggest number, sign is minus, so therefore minus 21.5. Okay, that you need to observe and you need to write down. Okay, now plus 2.5n as it is. Okay children, now just I'll interchange this minus 21.4 plus 2.5 n is equals to 3.6. Just I interchanged, that's it. Now send the minus 21.4 to the right hand side. If you send minus 21 point to the 1.4 to the right hand side, means it will become plus 21.4. So therefore keep the 2.5 n as it is. 2.5 n is equals to 3.6. So minus 21.4 will become plus 21.4. Okay, now here you need to add. So 2.5 n is equals to, so 21.4 plus 3.6, it's nothing but 25.0. Now we need the n value, keep the n there only and send 2.5 n to 2.5 to the right hand side. So if you send 2.5 to the right hand side, means it will become divide. So therefore n is equals to 25.0 divided by 2.5, that's equals to, if you divide this, the answer will be 10, right children? So therefore what is the value of n? So n is equals to, that implies n is equals to 10, right? So that you need to write down in the box, right? So here, okay, so what is the answer of n? N is nothing but 10, right? Now you have solved the third one also, the fourth one also. Now you need to find the value of the fifth problem, right? Now the fifth problem, whatever they have given data, just write down the data, right? The fifth one, here I'll write the data. Okay, so what is the data they have given? Just observe here. So they have given a. So A they have given how much? 3.5. D they have given how much? 0. N they have given how much? 105. So you need to find AN, right? So I'll write the data here. So children, just here you need to write down the data and you need to apply the formula, and you need to apply these values to the formula, and you need to simplify this and you'll get the values. Okay, so A they have given, A is 3.5, and D they have given 0, N they have given 105, and AN you need to find out. That's equals to question mark. Okay, what is the formula? Formula is again AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. This is the formula to find the nth term of an AP, right? Now here nth term is 105, so therefore you need to find the A 105 term, right? So therefore I'll write A 105, because nth term is how much? 105 is equals to, now A is how much? 3.5 plus, here again I'm saying, here you are having a formula, you are having a value, just you are applying these values to the formula. Just as usual, in the place of a, you need to apply a value, n you need to apply the n value, and in the place of d you need to apply the value of d, right? Now n is how much? 105. A value is 3.5 plus n is 105 minus 1 into d is 0. Okay, now here, so a 105 nothing but 3.5 plus 105 minus 1 is 104 into 0. So therefore a 105 is equals to 3.5 plus, if you multiply any number by 0, is nothing but 0, right? So therefore the answer is a 105 term will be 3.5. So 3.5 plus 0 is nothing but 3.5, and this is the answer, students, and you need to fill this answer in here. So what is the answer? 3.5, right? And this is how we will solve the problem, children. It's a simple problem, children. So you need to understand the problem, and whatever they are asking, you need to find that by using the formula, right? So you need to write on the data, you need to apply the values to the formula, and you need to simplify it. And this is the third problem, fourth problem, and the fifth problem, children. And thank you.